everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Finally today I am back with one of the useful application for the most of the POCO X3 users, which is a call recording application. So in this video I'll be guiding you the step-by-step process how to activate the call recording in the POCO X3 device. So there are so many other settings you need to give the permissions, accessibility settings and few other permissions as well. So make sure to follow till end of the video to get to know everything about this call recording. So if you miss any one step, the call recording will not get successful, so make sure to watch till end of the video. And the APK for this call recording will be directly uploaded in my Telegram group. So I prefer to use this kind of Telegram group where I'll be using direct APK in my Telegram groups every time I make a video. As you can see, there is also wallpaper available, APK wallpaper available in my Telegram group, and plenty of other APKs as well. So even for this call recording APK, I have directly uploaded in my Telegram group. So make sure to follow me in the Telegram group. So links will be available in the description. And the name of the application is called Call Recorder. As you can see, friends, the main purpose of this application is to record the incoming calls and outgoing calls. So apart from that, you won't get any other extra benefit. Like you cannot replace the default dialer application, but this will be helpful only to record the calls. So if you want me to do another application which you can replace the default dialer, then definitely I would love to do that video. So do let me know in the comments below for that video if you want me to do. So right now let me try to open this application and make sure to follow me, friends, and try to check the playlist also for the POCO X3 in case if you want to know more details about this smartphone. So let's get started. So I feel like the best way to demonstrate the setup process, let me try to uninstall this application. So I just want to try this application whether it's working properly or not, and it did work properly. So now let me try to download again so I can actually show you the step-by-step process and you can follow the exact same steps like me. So it's not fair to just open the application and use all the settings. So at least you should know how to activate this call recording. As you can see, as soon as you download this application, you do get all this kind of permissions you need to grant in the POCO X3 device, as you can see. So if you want to change the font as well, there is another video which coming up next. So make sure to check that video if you want to change the font design. So next is that allowing the background activity. And now final step, if you get this kind of home screen, this accessibility page, so now you need to go to the more downloaded services. Go to the more downloaded services and select this call recorder app. As you can see, give the permission to that call recorder. So after the Android 10 update, so the call recording permissions got cancelled for applications if you don't give this permission. So after the Android 10, we need to give the accessibility permissions as well. Another thing is that if you want to set the password, you can set the password. So right now for this demonstration purpose, I'm not setting the password. So next good thing is that, as you can see, these are data which has been already recorded in the phone. Even though I uninstalled the application, still it got a backup of the data as well. As you can see, it got restored and it's showing everything, all the details and time and when I did a call as well. That's a good method as well, friends. So in case if you uninstall the applications by mistake, if you reinstall, you'll get back all the data because call recordings will be stored in one particular folder in the POCO X3 device. As you can see, all the recordings, incoming calls and outgoing calls and favorite calls, you can sort everything, so which is very perfect for me. So this is what I like in this application. Everything is categorized according to your call recordings, incoming and outgoing, without any other extra effects. So the main purpose is only to show that recording as well. So now let me try calling the POCO X3 device from other phone and let's see what options, whether the call will be recorded or not. So now I am trying to call the phone. So as you can see, friends, right now I did receive the call in this mobile phone in the POCO X3 device, and now let me try to show you here. As you can see, it's recording this call on the top. You can see that notification as well clearly. If you want to stop the recording, you can just press stop, the recording will be stopped. So as you can see, friends, the audio file has been recorded successfully. You can see the time as well, 8:57 p.m. You can see it clearly. And now if you want, you can share this audio file directly here, and let me try to play you can listen the quality. See that notification as well clearly. If you want to stop the recording, you can just press stop, the recording will be stopped. as you can see, friends. So these are most useful application which I feel will do the job just for recording, call recording, that's it. So you won't get any other dialer or any other extra effects with this. So you do have the basic settings where you can change if you want, like you can change only for the incoming calls or only for the outgoing calls, something like that. You can do that one as well. And even the audio source as well you can change if you want in case, but mostly I'll prefer those all option throughout the time. In case if you want to increase the volume, you can do that, increasing. Auto delete the recordings if you want, you can do that, auto deleting as well, for how many days if you want to delete audio recording. So that's a good thing. So overall I like this application in terms of recording the audio quality, and everything is good in this application. And make sure to follow me regularly for more interesting updates in the POCO X3 device. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.